In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a DNA descendancy tree in Microsoft Word. Creating a clear and visually organized descendancy tree is an excellent way to present family lineage, genetic relationships, or ancestry information in a structured and professional format. Whether you are preparing a school project, documenting family history, or organizing DNA research, Microsoft Word provides simple tools that make this process easy and effective. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Word and starting with a blank document. The quickest way to build a descendancy tree is by using SmartArt. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on SmartArt. When the SmartArt window appears, select Hierarchy from the list on the left. Then choose a layout such as Organization Chart and click OK. A structured diagram will immediately appear in your document. You can now begin entering names into the boxes. Typically, the oldest generation goes at the top, with children placed below. To add more family members, click on any existing box, then go to the SmartArt Design tab and select Add Shape. Choose Add Shape below to insert children, or Add Shape after to add siblings on the same level. Continue building the structure until your family lineage is complete. You can customize the appearance by changing colors or selecting a different SmartArt style to match your document's theme. For a more visual DNA theme, you may insert a DNA image using the Pictures option under the Insert tab. Position it behind or beside your tree and adjust the transparency if necessary to keep the text readable. Creating a DNA descendancy tree in Microsoft Word is straightforward and highly customizable. Take your time organizing each generation clearly to ensure your chart is easy to understand and visually balanced. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.